Alright, well, here are the little connectors down in here. So I saw these little pieces in here, and I'm assuming, it's an assumption I'm making, that they control these little parts in here. So there's these little levers on the side. I don't know, kind of fascinated by that. You know? This one looks like it creates a smaller little opening. Larger. There's full. And this one even creates a little, does this create a smaller one? Even smaller, so it's there. It's wide open. Kind of maybe that's an open and close. Anyway, I just saw those three kind of shutter operations. I thought you'd be fascinated by that as well. Here's this side of it. Yeah, and as I look in here, you know, there's two over here, which are by that little mechanism. Two over here, two more over there, so it kind of would follow. I would try to hook this up, but I have so many more things to photograph. But anyway, just wanted to show you that.